Hi everyone, in this video, I showcase how I create a universal assessment on WileyPlus for the course Introduction to Accounting and Finance. So why do I use assessment on WileyPlus? First, on those, the course I teach is at an introductory level. It is very intensive and heavy in concept. Therefore, I designed the final exam as being synchronous and multiple choice in formats. The assessment on WileyPlus had been adopted for my course since the COVID-19 pandemic started in March 2020 when on-course moved online. So there are some advantages in using assessment on WileyPlus. By universal assessment, I mean students residing in different countries at different time zones can access and write the assessment at the same time. The exam capacity is quite large. We can accommodate up to 700 students. The platform is stable and allows the instructor to easily provide accommodation for students, such as adding extra time or setting the exam to be written at different time zones. Now I will walk you through how to create assessment, how to provide accommodation for students, how to moderate the assessment, and how to transfer or relieve grades after the assessment is completed. So this is my course site on WileyPlus. Just click on quiz. And here you can see on the assessment I create for my course. To create an assessment like this, just click on quiz. Here you can provide the name of the quiz instruction. You can put a time limit on it, allow different time for students, let students to see the response or not. You can show one question at a time if you click on this. Otherwise, all questions will be shown at a time for students. In this assigned book, you can provide accommodation for students. For example, if students are provided with extra time to write the exam, you can add them here, put their name here, and provide a different time frame for them. In question, you can create exam question by single question or by different group. For example, if you click on new question, you can choose different kind of question, such as multiple choice, true and false, or matching question. If you choose a multiple choice question, you need to put your correct answer here and other possible answer here, and just say, and your assessment is created. So assuming you already create a final exam like what I have here, this is unpublished. For students to access it, you need to publish the exam. And then during the exam, you go to the moderate, the quiz, and all students. You can see all students here. They are writing the exam with the time lapse. After the assessment is completed, you go to grades, and in action, you export the file of the grade for all students. And then you can import this file to another course site like ours, and your marking is completed. You don't actually have to do any marking. And in this way, you can save a lot of time and avoid any unnecessary error in marking. So far, the assessment on WileyPlus has been implemented for 3 years on different sessions of my course, and students have provided good responses on their experience with it. One special benefit of running the assessment on this platform is that every single minute of the exam will be recorded. The instructor can trace the exam history and review the exam to deal with any issue reported by students. I hope you find this video useful. If you have any question, please feel free to discuss with me during the Q&A session.